Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out here checking out this beautiful 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX Surf. We got it in this awesome Sea Ray blue color with that nice accent stripe. You guys climb aboard and let's see what it's all about. Welcome aboard, guys. So you can see we're up here in the bow. You got a super spacious bow for a 26-foot boat. This is me sitting up at the very, very front. You can see it comes to right below where my elbows are, so it's a nice, comfortable seating no matter which spot you sit up here. And then underneath both of these, you've got great areas to utilize for storage, whether it be life jackets, toys, other safety equipment. Make our way back a little bit as we see this center walk-through that splits the boat in half. Over here on the starboard side, you've got a hideaway trash can and your ignition switch. And then you've got your wind dam door over here on the port side. So it is a great boat to use even when it might be a little bit cooler outside. Over here at the helm, you've got your dual Simrad screens. Makes for a super nice look on board here. You're able to have your surf controls up while also seeing that engine management screen. And we do have the Mercury digital throttle as well as your trim tab controls directly to the right of the steering wheel there. Awesome Fusion stereo system on this boat. Speakers in the bow, speakers in the cockpit. You can rock out the whole time you're out here. Then dual captain's chairs with adjustable bolsters for super comfortable seating for the folks sitting up front here. You can see we're getting plenty of shade from our sport tower up here. You've got a tow anchor up on top, and this fun little box is actually the controls for your projector that will project the Sea Ray logo down on the ground. So it's a nice little feature the 260 has. More storage underneath all of the seats back here. And then in the way back, right below your lounger is what holds your motor. You got tons of power with that 350 horse 6.2 V8. You do have tower controls right here on the starboard side of the boat, right by the walkway, so you can lower that tower up and down. And then this one with just a few clicks of the straps here, you can extend this canopy out to get shade all the way across that sun pad back there. Once again, this is the surf version of the 260 SLX, so you do have the ability to throw a massive wave behind you, grab on the surfboard, and have a great time out there. But if you don't want to do that, it just looks super sleek going down the water. If you guys got any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.